Hey, seeing a server error in Bitwarden? Yeah, like it won't sync, log in, or just keeps showing an error message. Don't worry, I'll walk you through a few quick fixes to solve it. All right, first, make sure your internet connection is stable. Uh, Bitwarden needs a working connection to sync and log in properly. Next, check if Bitwarden servers are down. Yeah, sometimes the issue isn't on your side at all. If there's an outage, you'll just need to wait until it's fixed. Okay? Now try logging out and logging back in. This can refresh your connection and fix temporary errors. If the error keeps showing, clear your browser cache. Yeah, corrupted data can cause server issues. Also, make sure you're using the correct server region. If your account is on a different server, like EU, instead of US, you won't be able to log in. Another thing, VPNs or proxies can sometimes block the connection. So yeah, try disabling it and then reconnect to Bitwarden. And if nothing works, update or reinstall the extension. This usually clears any bugs causing server errors. And yeah, that's it. One of these steps should fix the Bitwarden server error and get everything working again. Give them a try and you should be good to go. All right, so